Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe, revive your home. Tired of pet stains and family messes ruining your carpets? Let's explore the Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner, a powerful solution for homeowners, pet owners, and families seeking a fresh, clean home. The Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe features 360-degree spin scrub brushes that penetrate deep into carpet fibers. This innovative design effectively lifts embedded dirt and stains, restoring your carpet's original beauty. The dual V nozzle ensures consistent suction across the cleaning path, minimizing damp spots and accelerating drying time. The dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, promoting hygiene and simplifying the cleaning process. This carpet cleaner includes specialized tools for upholstery, stairs, and hard-to-reach areas. The heat force technology further reduces drying time, allowing you to quickly enjoy your freshly cleaned carpets. Ready to transform your home? Click the link below to purchase the Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe and experience the difference. Don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning tips and product reviews.